subscribe with notifications on.
So you can transport. I transported about Jacob Zuma, all those people, lot of ministers, department, Barkman, this the Mutewa, Minister of Education Mutewa, the time when she was Mutewa, in Nagoya in Japan, I transported her. So what's making you fail to do what I did? What's making you fail? You can do that. This is how I'm making money. Even now, this is how I'm making money. Are you getting my point? This is how I'm making money. Right now, I was able to get a system where I can book my own clients. I can book my own clients. Let me tell you something. You can actually go to Uber. You can actually go to Uber and ask Uber that you are running a transportation business. You tell them they'll open a business for you, an account for you. And with a business account, Uber, you can book your clients anywhere in the world. And these clients will be transported. They've got drivers. There's no need for you to go and do outsourcing again and all those type of things. Then you get real money. Real money. You understand? You have a platform. You have a platform. You can book up to 10 cars, 20 cars, 50 cars in one time. 50 drivers one time. And you see once each and every trip that has been taken by an Uber driver, the client will be picked up. You just send pick-up instructions to the client, making sure everything is okay and all those type of things. Clients will actually be able to know who is my driver and so forth. You send them the name of the driver and all those type of things. You can track your car. You can track your driver. Where is the driver driving? How far is it and so forth. Stop suffering. Stop pushing these foreigners. Stop telling these foreigners, abusing these foreigners for nothing. You want to go out there and loot their money and do all this type of things. That's wrong. That's wrong. You can make your own money. Some people said to me, oh no, 350 is very small. 350 is very small. Let me tell you something. You are so lucky because Ramaphosa is giving you 350. With 350, you can buy bag of potatoes. You can buy a bag of onions. You can buy a bag of apples. Sorry, a box of apples, box of bananas. You can buy cabbage and all those type of things. Tomatoes. Pack them. You can put 3 there in one plastic, small plastic. Put 3 there and say 250 or 250 or 250 rand or 300 rand, 350 like that. People will buy. They'll buy. You take plenty of money each and every day going. Stop the thing of being lazy. You're sitting at home, you're telling yourself and say, no, my girlfriend is going to see me and then I'm sitting on the street. Hey, what? I'm going to have people laughing at me. For what? For what? Let them laugh at you, but you'll be making dollar. Are you getting my point? You're making a dollar. Like I said to you, once you get your clients, you build your clientele at the airport. This is what I used to do. I go to the airport, I'll sit there and say, Taxi, hello man, good afternoon man, how are you man? Hi, how are you man? How are you man? How are you sir? How are you sir? You need a taxi sir? Can I be of an assistance sir? You need a taxi? Oh yes, I'm going to Garden Court. Garden Court in Mowbray. I'm going to Garden Court in CBD town or in Seapoint. And so you say, ma'am, 100%. I'll help you. Please, can I please keep your bag? Keep your bag like that. Until you are sorted. Guys, next time I'll show you a story how I managed to get a contract from FIFA World Cup. How I managed to get a contract from FIFA World Cup in 2020. Don't have to think. How I managed to get a contract. I'll share it my story. How I managed to get a contract with FIFA. Without cars. And I made a killing. I made lots of money. I made lots of money. The same police that was harassing me at the airport, beating me like this. I end up employing them. I'll tell you how I employed them. shika, almost in South Africa you've got these things, almost. You've got this thing, now how you do things in South Africa, almost. You know what I'm talking about? We end up being friends with those policemen. They end up hiring me to do some dirty tricks, dirty work for them. They end up paying me money on a weekly basis until my wife stopped me and said, what you're doing is dangerous. Leave it. I used to be the one catching, these Somalians who are coming, these foreigners who are coming with drugs and all those type of things. I used to catch them at the airport. I was getting information from left and right. From Johannesburg, before they fly out of Johannesburg to Cape Town, I will know already he's on this flight. And I will stand there and pretend to see if I'm a taxi driver. And I will take them. When I will take them, I will call the police, those police that I'm working with now, they will come and collect the drugs from them and so forth. And I was getting paid by the police. Paid. Good money. Paid each and every week. You see, guys, sometimes you take risks and you end up surviving. You end up being somebody. So, guys, you know what? I don't be long, but I will share with you guys, as time goes on. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't want to be long, guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna keep on sharing more news on what to do, and I will take it from there, guys. Guys, do you want to make money? Do you want to make money while sitting at home? Be like me. You can make money. You want to make money while sitting at home? You want to make that 100,000 rand while sitting at home? It's very simple. Money is simple to make. Don't listen to people say, it's hard making money. What? No, it was not hard for me. I'm still making money sitting at home. My children go to school at home. They don't go out and go to school and be suffocated. Study here. We travel every year, do everything. We sit here, do everything here. So guys, I don't want to be long, but you know what? I think this information that I've shared today will help you. It will help you guys. If you want to know more, just put a comment and say, Mr. K, how can you assist me? And guys, let me tell you something. If you know you don't have an experience, if you know you are not experienced, you cannot type. The best option, get somebody out there who knows the computer. Use your mind, get business. Let the person come and teach you how to run the business. Be a manager. Manage this. Now I employ a lot of people. I employ matriculants. I employ people with degrees. 37%. Now. People with degrees, with diplomas, with everything. Though I educated, I employ them. They do presentations for me, they do everything. They go out to the market, to the travel agencies and do presentations and do all the type of things. While I'm sitting at home. You understand? So you guys can do that as well. It's very easy. You understand? So get someone who knows the computer, who can help you to run these services. While you sit there, the only thing what you do, you manage. You market yourself. You get business. You get business. You get business. There's so many companies who are looking for. Guys, tomorrow I'll share with you. There's a guy who's actually, go this way. Don't touch the thing. Yeah. Who's actually making money. He's got a company for selling, he's selling parts, airplane parts. He's selling to airline. That guy is making a killing. He's making millions on a monthly basis. He just put a website, he outsources, he buy things and they buy from him. The airlines put an order for the parts and he goes and deliver. They come and pick up, he goes and deliver. The same as that. Understand? You can make money. There's a lot of things, guys. There's a lot of things. You can even decide now to say, you know what? I want to open a restaurant. But you don't have a restaurant. I want to open a restaurant. You can, obviously. Uber Eats. You can open Uber Eats. Go and search my restaurant. You'll find my restaurant. Go and search colocastouch.com. Let me just quickly go to my website so I can show you. So you guys can see what I'm talking about. You can go to Colocastouch. ColeCaseTouchFood.com, right? That's my restaurant. Let's wait for it to go. All right. Case Touch Food, right? We deliver in 30 to 45 minutes, right? You can see, right? We deliver in 30 to 45 minutes. That's my restaurant. Case Touch Food, right? We open this. It's under my wife. My wife, she's running this while sitting at home, making money. So if you go to the menu there, you can click, you say order online, you'll see there. Alright, it will take you to Uber Eats, right? See there. This everything we sell, everything we sell, everything we sell, everything we sell. We sell good things, good stuff. The menu is there, right? Here's it. See there. 65 pap and balls with bisto. 65 there, right? Right? Let me check the others. This one is barbecue lamb stew, 165. You can add to cart, add one to order, 165, right? You can order anything. You can order, there's so many 7 colors, meals. You can also order. If you're in Cape Town, please support us, guys. Support us if you're in Cape Town, right? No, can't see. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. But anyway, it's okay. Yeah, they can't see. All right, it's okay. All right. But anyway, it's okay. So you can go and just go online and say ColeCaseTouchFood.com. ColeCaseTouchFood.com. You'll get my wife's restaurant there. You can order anything you want. Anything you want, you can order. Right. So it's very easy. You don't need to have a restaurant, a physical restaurant for you to open a restaurant. Uber Eats can actually accept anybody. As long as you have your stove, you can buy a gas stove, you can buy, if you've got a stove at home, you can buy a gas stove and then, some pots, start making menus and so forth, start making money, you know what I'm saying? Customers will come. On a daily basis, you will never go home. You will never sleep without making 300 rand. Never. Never. Never on Uber Eats. You will never see. If you live in a place where it's busy and stuff like that, you can make plenty money. So that, guys, I'll keep on guiding you guys, giving you these tips and so forth and so forth. Please, guys, share the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you put your notification so you can get to know when we post these videos. Alright, guys, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it, and we're hoping for the best. Alright, guys, thank you so much.